Hello and welcome to another ROFFS update of the ocean conditions for the Gulf of Mexico using satellite sea surface temperature and ocean color imagery from the weekend of September 21st through 22nd. Overall, conditions were relatively clear, so we could get a good look at the area, certainly before the approaching storm comes up. We wish everybody well and to stay safe during that. But overall, starting to the south, in the at the loop current here, we can see it comes um, through the Yucatan Pass essentially and pushes north about to approximately Tampa there, and then loops south with a relatively large associated offshore flow extending south from Cape San Blas, effectively separating, the loop current to the west, and then additionally a pocket of pretty good blended blue to blue water inshore along the 25 to 30 fathom mark off of 25 to 30 extending out to, you can see the shelf here. So um, anywhere between 300 and then out to 1,000 fathoms there off of Western Florida. And then looking to the west a little bit further off the Pensacola to Barataria Bay area, we can see large counterclockwise rotations here. So we can see a large eddy circulating some of this loop current associated with water to the west and south along the Atwater Valley area, and then this blended blue water here pushing inshore along the shelf here, and then to the south off of the delta there. And then the corresponding large offshore flow to the southeast, and then northeast off of the delta area there, and then out to the spur area or so. Looking further west off of the Bullwinkle Flower Gardens approximately area, we have this large mass of a little bit cleaner water from remnant loop current eddies, essentially where this water can be seen kind of circulating inshore and then splits to the east and the west here, providing a good chance of action with these two eddies. So, a good edge here, as well as a good edge extending to the east and then southeast again as it gets deflected with this large offshore flow due to the eddy out here. And then finally, looking over at the western Gulf of Mexico, Texas area, we can see this cleaner water extends north and then pushes out to form a relatively large counterclockwise eddy here. And then we have some blended blue water extending up over the east breaks and then west and south essentially inshore here, creating some nice edges as well. But with that, for the most recent analysis for your area, you can place an order online at ROFFS.com. You can call the office at 321-723-5759 or drop us an email at fishing@roffs.com. Thank you very much. Tight lines.